Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and in this video I am going to be cleaning my downstairs quickly and then going upstairs to fold some laundry. Now, no, I did not fold all of the laundry. I am really still trying to catch up with it, so please just stay tuned for the laundry motivation. I am starting this video off wearing my baby because he just always needs to be held, and yeah, that's where we're at. So I will be holding him, well, wearing him, and trying to get this house in order. Honestly, it's very, very difficult doing this, like having to hold him and to clean, because it requires a whole lot of bending over, and my husband was at work. Mostly my husband's at work when I am cleaning because it's just easier that way. I don't know, it just is. And I don't know what to do, because if I put him down, he'll cry. Like he's really big on cuddles and everything like that. So 9 times out of 10, if he's awake, we're holding him.
Over, I'm by myself. Yeah. My heart don't feel right. Doesn't go away. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down. 'Cause now I'm waiting for you to say.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell, I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You do it right. Hold me tight when I need it, and you always like what I like we know each other. But sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself, and the way of how you dwell, I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself. And the way of how you dwell, look at it, don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends.
Okay, so we are upstairs now for a little bit of laundry motivation. I needed to wash the baby stuff and do some more laundry, so I am just preparing for that, and then I'm going to fold all of this laundry that is here on this chair. So if you want some laundry motivation, now is your moment.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe. I know that I messed up, wish I could take it back, but it doesn't matter when you look at me like that. I know that I fucked up, but that doesn't work as an excuse. Sorry doesn't cut it, but I'm sorry for what I did to you. Can only sleep with the TV on. Ever since you left, I'm going through the motions. I'm laying here looking at the door. Please come home, you belong by my side, babe. It's getting cold on the side where you used to sleep, so I get drunk, tangled up in these dirty sheets. I can't if you call it quits. I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me again. If you could just listen to what I have to say, a minute of your time, that's all I want, then I'm out of your way. Maybe I'm selfish for wanting what I want. It's all games till someone gets their heart broken, my love. I can only sleep with the TV on. Ever since you left, I'm going through the motions. I'm laying here looking at the door. Please come home, you belong by my side, babe. It's getting cold on the side where you used to sleep, so I get drunk, tangled up in these dirty sheets. I cannot live with myself if you.
And I'm just going to end this video off with me cleaning my bathroom. It wasn't too bad, but it definitely needed to be cleaned up. So I am going to leave the video off here and let you guys get some bathroom cleaning motivation. If you are not subscribed, please make sure that you do. It's a whole lot of motivation over here, whether it's laundry or whatever. And please just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
You love me again.